Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest updates on political dramas unfolding in South Africa. South Africa's top court has ruled that former President Jacob Zuma is not eligible to run for parliament in the general election on 29th May, a decision closely watched as it could impact the election outcome. Zuma, who was forced to resign as president in 2018, has fallen out with the governing African National Congress, ANC, and is now campaigning for a new party called uMkhonto Sizwe, MK, named after the ANC's former armed wing. Opinion polls suggest the ANC's majority is at risk after 30 years in power, and MK poses a significant threat, especially in Zuma's home province of KwaZulu-Natal, where he remains popular. The Constitutional Court case originated from a March decision by South Africa's Electoral Commission to disqualify Zuma based on a constitutional clause that prohibits anyone sentenced to 12 months or longer from holding a parliamentary seat. In 2021, Zuma was sentenced to 15 months in jail for failing to appear at a corruption inquiry. In April, a court overturned the disqualification, ruling that the relevant constitutional section applied only to those who had had a chance to appeal their sentences, which was not the case for Zuma. The Electoral Commission then challenged this decision in the Constitutional Court. On Monday, ConCourt Judge Leona Theron declared, "It is declared that Mr. Zuma was convicted of an offense and sentenced to more than 12 months imprisonment and is accordingly not eligible to be a member of and not qualified to stand for election to the National Assembly." She clarified that Section 47 of the Constitution disqualifies anyone sentenced to more than 12 months without the option of a fine unless they have exhausted their appeal options. This disqualification lasts 5 years after the sentence is completed. Zuma's 2021 jailing had sparked riots in KwaZulu-Natal, resulting in over 300 deaths and widespread looting. Despite these events, Zuma's legal team argued that the IEC had erred in declaring him ineligible, contending that the remission of his sentence effectively reduced it from 15 months to 3 months, and that the nature of his civil conviction meant Section 47 should not apply. However, the court disagreed, stating, "It is not for a court to limit the scope of the provision." The court also dismissed Zuma's counter-application to recuse 6 ConCourt judges from the case, including Chief Justice Raymond Zondo, citing no proven bias. Judge Theron emphasized, "This matter is about a narrow and defined legal issue that is capable of determination without an interpretation of the contempt judgment." While Zuma may continue to campaign for the MK party and be featured on their posters, this ruling prevents him from taking a seat in the National Assembly. He can still lead the party through other means. That's all for today's update. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more news and analysis on the unfolding political landscape. Until next time, take care and stay informed.